Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Supercharged mini build. Today going to be concentrating on getting the car in the air, get the wheels off, drop the exhaust off, and then see how much time I've got, maybe drain the oil and stuff from the engine. Yeah, that's the plan really. Nothing particularly challenging, so I think I'll probably time-lapse most of this and you guys can watch and then we'll go from there. So here we go. Well, that was a easy enough job. It's nice to have it all off again. While it's all apart, I'm just gonna, do the usual and have a look over the front and rear brakes and all the suspension joints. Just make sure everything's as it should be. I've always had a slight knock from the rear from something. Never really been able to work out what it is. There's no play in anything. I think it's to do with the shock absorbers. I'm not sure if the top mounts aren't quite together right or something, but I've always had a knock, so I'll investigate that as well while it's all apart. The wheels seem to be doing well. So it was best part 2 years ago I bought them. They've held up well and they've not been looked after either. This whole car has probably been cleaned 5 times in the 18 months it's been on the road. It spends most of its time covered in road grime and salt, so it's fairly good testament to John Brown wheels. They're fairly good. Only comments I have got are the valves, the rubber stems have all perished on them, so I think I'm going to have to swap the valves over, which is a little bit annoying, but it's one of them things, isn't it? So, but other than that, very good. Tyres seem to have lasted very well. Give plenty of grip and everything, so overall pretty happy with them. Completely forgotten how light they are though. I've been used to doing all the wheels and stuff on and off on the Discovery, and they're 20-inch with big all-terrain grabber tyres, so they weigh an absolute ton. These you can lift off with one hand, so that was a nice positive. So yeah, I'll stack them up and then get the exhaust off. I think I don't need to get it all off, but I think it might just be easier to get it off and out of the way. I need the silencer off so I can do some work around the fuel tank, drain the fuel, fit a new fuel filter and that sort of stuff. And I need to at least loosen the front off the main pipe so I can move it back out the way for making it easier fitting the cylinder head on. So I think I might just take the whole lot off, have a look at it, and get it out of the way then. So I think that'll probably be my next job. Well, that's another load of jobs ticked off the list. Managed to do quite well with draining it, with running out of fuel before it came off the road. I think I poured about 4 litres out of the tank, so that's pretty good. So yeah, it's all all that work's done now, and then hopefully next time I can crack on. So really, I guess I'll probably give everything underneath a bit of a check over, all brakes and everything. Might as well just get that done and out of the way, and then yeah, see where we go from there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.